is a 2011 Land Rover Range Rover. We were the sway bar. There's no information on how to do this. I checked all my resources. I checked on YouTube, I checked Google, I checked all data, and basically there's no real way to doing this without the fancy tool they say you have to do this, which is kind of overkill. Because basically you can take maybe a 12-inch long 15mm with a kind of an inset ratcheting head, and you're able to basically reach right in there like that to get that bolt. You can reach in there like that to get that bolt, and there's another bolt that goes in right here, which you can get to pretty easy. This side is the hard. This side, there's a cross member bracket that goes from here to here. The problem is you gotta remove it. There's one bolt here, 2, 3, 4 bolts right there. The trick is to remove these 3 bolts on the differential, take a screw jack or a floor jack, and basically raise the differential up right here, and therefore you got about 3 inches of space right here. But after you do that, you can get your wrench in right here like this, loosen it up, loosen up that, and basically you won't be able to do this unless you jack it up like that. That gives you the space. So after you do that, take the bolt out, and basically push right up, gets you pushing, pop right off, same side, take this, lift it up a little bit, pushing, take it off, do there, and basically do the process in reverse to install it back, and you're all good.